Hello, my friends. I am Dr. Elise Donovan, and after over 25 years of working with incredible people just like you, vibrant souls in their 60s, 70s, 80s, and beyond, I'm here to share something life-changing if you're ready to feel stronger, more energized and proud of the body that's carried you through decades of adventures. You're in the right place today. We're diving into 8 harmful habits that might be quietly stealing your vitality. And trust me, you have the power to stop them right now. You see, I've watched patients transform their lives by making small, science-backed changes. And I've seen the research prove it time and again. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's take this journey together. By the end, you'll feel inspired to reclaim your health. And I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Where are you watching from today? A bustling city, a quiet town? Let me know. I'm excited to connect with you. Habit number 8, lack of daily movement. Your body was made to move. Let's start with something so simple yet so powerful. Movement, I've seen it in my practice. Folks who sit for hours watching TV or reading without a break often tell me they feel stiff, sluggish, or even unsteady on their feet. Science backs this up. A 2019 study in the Journal of Gerontology found that older adults who sit for more than 7 hours a day have weaker muscles and a higher risk of falls. Why? Because when we don't move, our blood flow slows, our joints stiffen, and our muscles forget how strong they can be. But here's the good news. You don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment. Stand up every hour, stretch your arms overhead, take a short walk to the mailbox. These tiny bursts of movement increase circulation, boost your mood, and keep your balance sharp. I had a patient, Margaret, 78 years young, who started walking around her living room during TV commercials within weeks. She felt steadier and more alive. You can do this too. So tell me, what's one way you could add a little movement to your day? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to cheer you on. Habit number 7, skipping healthy meals. Fuel your body like it deserves. Next up, skipping meals. I get it. Life gets busy, or maybe you just don't feel hungry. But hear me out. When you skip breakfast or lunch, you're robbing your body of the fuel. It craves. A 2021 study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that older adults who skip meals have lower energy levels and even a higher risk of nutrient deficiencies like vitamin D or B12, which keep your bones strong and your mind sharp. Your body is a masterpiece, and it deserves premium fuel. A simple breakfast like oatmeal with berries or a slice of whole grain toast with avocado stabilizes your blood sugar and fires up your metabolism. I tell my patients, think of food as your energy bank. Deposit a little every few hours and you'll feel rich in vitality all day. What's your go-to healthy meal? Share it below. I might steal some ideas for my own kitchen habit number 6. Not drinking enough water. Hydration is your superpower. Now, let's talk water. I can't tell you how many times I've seen patients come in feeling tired or foggy, only to realize they haven't had a sip of water all day. Research from the Journal of the American Geriatric Society in 2020 found that even mild dehydration in older adults can lead to dizziness. Confusion and dry skin. Water isn't just a drink. It's your body's lifeline. It flushes toxins, lubricates your joints, and keeps your brain humming. Here's my challenge. Keep a water bottle nearby and sip every hour. Not a fan of plain water? Add a slice of lemon or cucumber. It's like a spa day in a glass. One of my patients, Tom 82, started this habit and said he felt 10 years younger. In just a week, you've got this power too. How do you remind yourself to drink water? Let's swap tips in the comments. Habit number 5, overeating unhealthy foods. Choose nourishment over comfort. All right, let's be real. Those sugary snacks or salty chips can feel like a hug on a tough day. But here's the catch: overdoing. It can weigh you down literally and figuratively. The British Medical Journal published a study in 2022 linking diets high in sugar and fat to increased risks of heart disease and hypertension in older adults. These foods might taste good for a moment, but they don't give your body the nutrients. It's begging for instead. Let's flip the script swap. That candy bar for an apple with a dab of peanut butter. Trade fries for roasted veggies. Small swaps add up, and soon you'll feel lighter, stronger, and prouder of your choices. I had a patient, Linda, 71, who cut back on sweets and told me her energy soared. You deserve that too. What's one healthy swap? You try tell me below, I'm rooting for you. Habit number 4. Ignoring sleep needs rest is your reset button sleep. Oh, how we undervalue it. I've seen patients brush off restless nights only to struggle with fatigue or a foggy mind. The next day, a 2023 study in sleep medicine found that older adults getting less than 6 hours of quality sleep have weaker immune systems and higher stress levels. Sleep isn't a luxury. It's your body's chance to repair, recharge, and rebuild. Create a sleep sanctuary. Dim the lights, skip screens an hour before bed, and keep your room cool. I tell my patients, treat bedtime like a sacred ritual you've earned. One small change can transform your days. How do you unwind before bed? Share your routine in the comments. I'd love to hear. Let's keep moving with habit number 3, skipping, stretching, or exercise. I know not everyone loves a workout, but hear me out. The Journal of Aging and Physical Activity reported in 2021 that just 10 minutes of daily stretching improves flexibility and cuts fall risk by 20% in older adults. Stiffness isn't inevitable. It's a sign your body's craving movement. Try this: stretch your legs while brushing your teeth, or do a gentle twist in your chair. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. My patient, Harold, 85, started with 5-minute walks and now strolls the park with his grandkids. You're stronger than you think. What's one stretch you try? Let me know below. Habit number 2, neglecting health checkups. Stay ahead of the game. Now this one's close to my heart. As a doctor, skipping checkups. I've seen too many folks say, I feel fine, why bother? But a 2022 Lancet study showed regular checkups catch issues like high cholesterol or blood pressure early when they're easiest to fix. These visits aren't just about problems, they're about empowering you with knowledge. Think of your doctor as your health coach. A quick visit can fine-tune your meds, spot small changes, and keep you thriving. You're worth that time. When was your last checkup? Let's keep each other accountable. Share in the comments. Habit number 1, living with a negative mindset. Your mind shapes your health. Finally, the big one, a negative mindset. This isn't just fluffy talk. Science proves it. Matters, a 2023 study in psychosomatic medicine, found that older adults with persistent negative thoughts have higher stress hormones, weaker hearts, and poorer sleep. But here's the flip side. Positivity heals gratitude, laughter, a kind word to yourself. These lift your spirit and your health. Start small. Name 3 things you're thankful for today. Surround yourself with uplifting people. You're not just surviving, you're thriving. And I'm so proud of you for that. What's one positive thought you'll hold on to today? Share it below. I can't wait to read it there. You have it. My friends, 8 habits to kick to the curb and a roadmap to a healthier, happier you, from moving more to nourishing your body, hydrating, resting, stretching, checking in with your doctor, and embracing positivity. You hold the keys. The science is clear, and my years in medicine confirm it. Every step you take builds a stronger, prouder you. I'd love to hear from you. Where are you watching from? New York, London? A small village somewhere? Which tip are you excited to try? Drop a comment below, hit that like button. If this resonated with you, and subscribe for more practical health wisdom. Share this with someone you love. Let's spread the energy. You're not just aging, you're thriving, and I'm here with you every step of the way. Until next time, take care, stay strong, and keep shining.